Tim Thomas here. In this video, we're going to be talking about American Bill Money brand new video that's just been launched onto our websites. This is breaking news. Want to bring it to you. And we want you to stay tuned for the whole video. We've got some great updates. And I tell you what, dreams are turning into reality. We're going to roll the intro and I'll talk to you on the other side. Tim Thomas here. Before I start the video, make sure you like the video, hit the like button, tap the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Make sure you like this video. American Bill Money has changed the game in the way we work at home. Residual income has never been this good. Folks, we got an epic new American Bill Money must-see video, and it's on our website. It's on this website right here. And the website has been updated, and I could not be more excited about what we've got our hands on. Residual income at its finest. Again, we're going to get through it quickly in this video. We're going to watch that video, and we're going to go from there. I tell you what, great things are happening at this moment. American Bill Money been around for 22 years, and I tell you what, I feel that we're just getting started in some areas where we're going to go. We're talking about building this thing up to 5 figures plus per month. Of course, as an income disclaimer, in life nothing happens until you take action. You follow the direction, do a lot of it, but the sky's the limit in residual income. And for those of y'all been asking, guys, I did partner with Epic Slim. We're in Epic Slim now. We're going to go over this in another video. Look at that site Leroy created for us. It's just incredible. I could not be more excited. We're going to talk about Epic Slim in another video in detail. But we're going to keep this strictly on American Bill Money. And we're going to go there. American Bill Money, folks, they have redone the website. And I think Paul and the team has done an outstanding job with this website. It's just incredible. And it pulls like a magnet. Can you get people to the website? If you can do that, it will do all the selling, telling, explaining for you so you never have to. They just added this to the website, $2,000 per referral with upgrades. This is from the Money Order Freedom level. Folks, if you can get in Money Order Freedom, I would join today. Join today. It is just that powerful. Folks, I'm on the inside and could not be more excited. I am about a year and a half in American Bill Money and full speed ahead. 22 years as of 2025. Where are you going to be when we hit 30 years? Are you going to be at 5 figures plus per month, $20,000 plus per month, 21,000, 22,000? Folks, the sky's the limit. When you get a chance, I want you to go through this website. Go, as Mary Beth would say, from left to right, top to bottom, and read line by line. Understand what this program can do for you. Work with my income calculator. We're referring 3 people down just through a few levels and see what's possible. Look at the product, the service, the value that we have with American Bill Money. With proven system, unlimited income, potential, 22 years in business, 24/7 marketing system. 90% of the work is done for you. The closings are done for you. It's just incredible. We close sales for you. We do all the follow-up. The system will follow up relentlessly with all of your prospects. Folks, this is the things that dreams are made of. Products and services help you build your income anonymously. It's had an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. 3 powerful pay plans. This is the website that's just been added. We're going to talk about that in just a minute. We're going to go from there. In my next American Bill Money video, we're going to talk about the marketing materials. Folks, we have full color postcards, post-it notes, drop cards, flyers that you can pass out in your spare time. This phone number here, folks, that's got me so many signups. And I'm telling you, team, get excited because the sky is the limit as to what we can do with American Bill Money. Of the American Bill Money Dream Team, when you join, we're going to get you a cover letter that leads to our team website. Look at the post-it note that you can get. Folks, we're going to talk about in our next video, marketing materials. Marketing materials. I want to show you that cover letter that we got. Look at the post-it note that the company has got. Folks, you can get this post-it note with your ID number with the new Text to feature on it. Absolutely amazing stuff. We want to invite you to come along with us on the inside. This is your best shot at financial freedom. Can you hit the like button for me? Oh my goodness, folks. Everybody comes at what we call the starter subscription, and you're going to get 50 fresh direct mail leads each and every single month. They're going to come to your house in a package every single month. Unlimited use of the 1-800 number, unlimited use of the capture page, follow-up sequence, $30 fast start paid when you recruit somebody in, $10 a month, monthly residual down through 3 levels. You unlock infinity deep levels when you go to basic. And folks, if you're at basic, you get another basic, you're $85 plus per month with just that one affiliate, that one person, one referral, money saving coupons. Folks, this is the thing that dreams are made of. Look at our beautiful postcards. We have incredible marketing materials. They do all the selling, all the telling, all the explaining. As you can see, we got the new text to number on there. We have style A, B, C, D, and E. What resonates with me, I like the style here and the brand new one. Of course, all the postcards are incredible. We have an incredible flyer, folks. And then with this flyer, you can get our cover letter to go along with the flyer. Folks, this is exciting times. There's a drop card. Secure a second income, not a second job. There's the post-it note. I'm telling you, if you're watching American Bill Money and you're not in, folks, you're doing yourself an injustice. It is just that exciting. And I want to say with a sense of urgency to join American Bill Money today. I'm telling you, I do a lot online, but this is my number one residual. It's making me the most money. This is the number one. And I tell people all the time, now is the time. We're at a point in our lives that we have to choose businesses that's going to give us residual income and or big ticket. Joining this, $5 this person, $10 this person, that person. Those are nice, but this right here is like a legitimate, life-changing, sustainable for the remainder of your life business that you can partner with today. Let's enjoy this video together, and I'll close out the video. I'm going to see if I can get the volume turned up here. Did y'all hit the like button? Did you hit the like button? Lean in and go from there.
The fact is that every adult in America needs more money. We have created a simple system that any adult could use to earn more money. Are you ready to make some more money? Can you afford $50 to get started? If so, then you must watch this whole video. If not, then please move on. American Bill Money was started over 22 years ago, and we've been perfecting our income-generating system ever since. Our company is now considered by many to be the #1 residual income system in the country, and that's what we strive to be, #1. There are many similar opportunities out there, and we are often imitated, but no one can hold a candle to our system, let alone our longevity and credibility. If you want the best bang for your buck in an income opportunity, you found it here. Our mission is to help you earn as much money as possible. With that said, here's how this works. Our $50 subscription is affordable for the masses to be able to say yes and participate in our system. No computer or any special skills are needed. All you do is distribute our beautiful full-color invitation postcards, flyers, drop cards, or post-it notes in your spare time, and interested people will take a look. We handle all the questions, all the sales, the follow-up, order fulfillment, and customer service. You never have to explain anything. You never have to speak to anyone or do any selling ever. You can remain completely anonymous. Basically, all you do is advertise with our invitations and we do everything else. You'll get paid for everyone on 3 levels of subscribers as long as you stay active. You will receive 50 fresh leads each month of opportunity seekers and buyers on peel and stick labels that you can use to send your invitations to. Additional leads are available if you want to do more. You'll receive our camera-ready personalized invitation flyer. You will also receive our money-saving coupons that can get you 1,000 of our beautiful invitation postcards for half price or even free. You'll receive samples of all of our literature and marketing tools. Also tips and suggestions that will save you time and money. Our incredible system provides unlimited residual income potential for everyone. And it's as simple as this. Anyone that responds to your invitation that takes action and spends $50 to get started themselves will earn you a $30 fast start check sent to you that Friday by our company. Every month after that, you will earn $10 a month per person commission, as long as you both remain active as our customer. Everyone your advertising efforts creates, no matter how many, makes up your first level. Everyone who your first level people refer, no matter how many, makes up your second level. And everyone who your second level people refer, no matter how many, makes up your third level. With just our $50 subscription alone, you will earn $10 a month for everyone on your 3 levels. Here's an exciting scenario. Imagine you refer just one person, and that person refers just one person, and that person is a hotshot and refers 1,000 people. Guess what? You'll earn over $10,000 a month if that happened. With our system, it's a possibility. Some people will refer a little, some will refer a lot. The possibilities are truly endless, and the potential should get you excited. Again, it really is this simple. Can you imagine yourself being able to refer just 5 people to our system, using our professionally designed marketing materials? If you can, don't you think each of them can refer just 5 people each? And don't you think those people could each do the same? If this went no further than this scenario, this system would be earning you $1,500 a month profit. And that's over $18,000 a year from a little spare time effort. Get this. If you and everyone on your 3 levels refer just 12 people to our system, you'd be earning more than $250,000 a year. Imagine what all that extra income would do for you and your family. The potential is real. The opportunity is real. And it's happening with or without you. So be wise and stake your claim and join us today. So in closing, remember this. The bottom line is all the money you can stand is available through our unbeatable system. We've made it extremely affordable and easy for the masses to get started, and easy for anyone to do in just a few hours or less of their spare time each week. I strongly encourage you just to say yes and join us today, because I know you're going to love doing business with us.
Team, that is an incredible video. This video will sell, can and will sell for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I'm telling you, this system is automated. It is ready to go. It is proven to work. And I'm telling you, I'm inviting you right now to join today. Take just a few minutes right now. Listen to our call. 1-800-632-0739. That number again is 1-800-632-0739. Review the website. Get educated on American Bill Money and get started today. Also, we have a frequently asked questions here in terms of services. You can contact the company to get started, or you can just follow the prompt. Just click here and it'll walk you through on how to get started effortlessly, and you can get off to the races in making income with American Bill Money. When you join, you're going to be a part of the American Bill Money Dream Team. We will get you a conference call cover letter. And let me show you that cover letter. And when you join American Bill Money Dream Team, our Dream Team, we're going to get you access to this flyer. This is the cover letter. And this thing is powerful, folks. You can mail it along with your American Bill Money flyer. Let me see. Yep, here's the flyer. Big shout out to Charles. Big shout out to Charles. This is Charles's flyer. And look at that flyer. Beautiful, folks. You're going to mail it along with that cover letter that we're going to provide from the American Bill Money Dream Team. Just absolutely powerful. So we're excited. We'll go back to here's that cover letter. It has the conference call information on it. It has our video, www.American Dream Team video, and we're going to hook all your prospects, all your new members up with this same information without even your involvement. When they join, they're going to go to this video, American Bill Money Dream Team video. It's just powerful, folks. This is a turnkey system. It's going to go to the right here, Dream Team for all team members for 2025 and beyond. And if they want a cover letter, they could just reach out to us and we'll get them a cover letter. They must provide it says go to the website, sign up whoever referred you. And when you request a cover letter, we must know who your sponsor is, who referred you, and we want to know your ID number. That is powerful, folks, and we'll get you a cover letter made. So, great things are happening. I wanted to show you the new video over here, and we want to get you off to the races. We want you to attend a conference call when you can, and allow the system to do all the heavy lifting. That's my time for today. In the next video, we're going to be talking about the American Bill Money new marketing materials in detail. Have a wonderful day. Get started through the link below. Bye for now.